Oh glorious God, we praise your name. I praise your name. And once in really your heart will respond. Your soul will respond. But whenever the church gathers together, we must open the gates of the heaven. Ufuneka sinike indlela sinto yokwenza. When ibandla lihlangana lisithi lift up their voices, amazulu ufuneka avuleke kwenzela i-angels zihlazenyuka. As if the new can just start to walk. When zisihla zifika zijonge inhliziyo zethu, zithathe izidingo zethu, when zinyuka ziya kwithrone kaThixo kunye nezidingo zethu. We do not know what you desire. Asiyazi uba inhliziyo yakho ithini kuThixo. Kodwa when utsho nomhlabele lu-connected, i-angels uzinika umsebenzi. But they are the ministering spirit. They minister unto us, the angels serve us. When Tina serve uThixo, when it is so yet to namatele uThixo, the angels respond to us. Shantana labagosita, and they begin to do their service. Hosanna, who.